Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I'm doing a full face of Milani makeup. This was very hard to lock down. I ordered tons of stuff from Ulta. It came broken. They sent it back. It came broken. We'll get into that. But it is going to be a pretty good video. I'm pretty excited. I have not tried a lot of these things here. And that's crazy because Milani's been around for so long. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. That way you are notified when I post future videos. Of course, every time you gotta start with primer. This is the Skin Quench Hydrating Primer, which I need because I am very dry, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Oh, it's kind of thick. Oh, it's very thick. Very, very thick. I kind of don't really like how it feels. It feels like body butter on my face. And in my mind, that just makes me think like you're clogging your pores, you're clogging your pores, you're clogging your pores. Even though I might not be, I don't know. It says blurs imperfections for all skin tones, extend makeup wear. Creamy lotion texture. What I said. Natural finish, enhanced with hyaluronic acid. Everything in it in the beauty space these days has hyaluronic acid in it, and I don't mind because I love how it looks and feels on my skin and what it does for my skin, but it is in everything now. All right, I mean, that felt fine. Let's address the elephant in the room. I am in a new filming location. This is the first weekend in my new house, so a lot of things are still changing. A lot of things are still coming in the mail. We're going and buying things. A lot of changes happening, but this is roughly what my new setup's gonna look like. This side table won't be so cluttered, and the bed will be a little bit different because I'm getting a new bedspread tonight, and we'll have different furniture in the back. But this is how it's gonna have to be for my videos for now until I can get my very own home with a very own filming space. For now, this will have to do. I love it so far. I love apartment life. It's relatively new. I'm sure I'll hate it in 6 months from now. All right, now I'm going to move on to foundation, and we have the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Mine's in 00 Natural. This is like a classic YouTube product that I just never got around to trying. Oh, it's pretty thick. This looks like it might be a little bit dark for me. Also, I got a late start today, so in the future I should have more natural lighting, but I also don't know what box my ring light is in. So we're working with what we got today. You know, if you're new to the channel, I mean, that's a recurring theme. We just kind of roll with the punches here. And nothing ever quite works out well. We're always struggling somehow on this channel, but it's not about the struggle, it's how you overcome it. So that actually matches pretty well. I'm surprised. It was looking pretty dark at the beginning. So I wasn't going to film this video today. I was actually going to film a declutter. So that way I'm not packing and unpacking product that I'm not actually going to keep. But I can't find a lot of stuff, and it's kind of starting to scare me because I'm talking all my foundations and all my concealers are missing. So pretty alarming. I actually love how this looks on my skin. I just have my mirror here. It looks really good, like really, really good. Maybe I'll post a story time about my awful roommates and why I actually had to move out. Like, it's a mess, but I think it'll be funny. Glad I'm out of the situation, but maybe I'll post that for you guys and you can laugh with me. We can share crazy roommate stories. All right, so next I'm moving on to concealer. I love how the foundation actually looks on my skin. It looks really, really, really good. Maybe it's a tad dark. I am noticing now it might just be a little bit dark, which I'm not overly happy about, but we're making do with what we can. Like I said, I have no foundation right now. But all for nothing, I like this a lot. I think it looks really good on my skin. And then we actually have a concealer. It is their longwear concealer. It looks like it's in the shade 130 light beige. Oh god. Uh-oh. This is really dark. This is the lightest one they had on Ulta. Oh my god, you can like literally see it on my face. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. What have I done? Okay, I gotta go back in with this. This is supposed to be a concealer too. Let's see. I'm such an idiot. All right, that was the lightest shade they had on Ulta the day I bought this stuff. So, you know, I'm gonna blame that. Also, that does not look like light beige. My under eyes look so dark now. Dang it. All right, I mean, it saved it a little bit, but this is 100% not my color. That is more for my sister, for sure. I did not get a powder, which I thought that I did. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and hopefully this brings some light to my under eyes. Now, I will say that everything that I've had on my face so far feels very heavy. I have to set it down a lot because I think it's going to be crease city, because it feels like it'll be crease city. The best way to describe the feeling is like lay makeup, like really thick, not super lightweight. Like it does feel like it's got some thickness to the stuff that's been on my skin so far. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so my skin is set. And I won't lie, it looks really, really nice. It looks airbrushed. It looks flawless. Like it looks so amazing, but I feel it. I can feel the product on my face, which I don't particularly love, but when I get results that look this good, I really can't complain. I really wish that I didn't use that concealer. I feel like I can see some darkness in there. Not the concealer's fault. It is my own. I just have like a nice sparkling water. So good. Cutting out soda. And sometimes I just, you know, like the carbonation, like a little flavor. Next, I have blush, bronzer, and highlight. All right, we are going to start with bronzer. I did get this Dolce Baked bronzer. It looks like that. It looks very warm. Very, very warm. Tap into it. It is also luminous, which a lot of their stuff is. It is warm. Okay, don't get me wrong, but I love the way it's warming up my skin. It's definitely a bronzer, not a contour, because it's not giving me unnatural shadows. It is giving me beautiful sun-kissed skin, which I've never complained about before. Well, maybe I have if it's too orange, but okay, so I'm looking very warm today. Probably because the slightly off foundation color and the bronzer. I look a little dark, but you know, whatever. All right, now I'm rushing because I'm losing some natural light. So now we're moving on to the Milani Luminoso. This is a cult classic here on YouTube, which I have never actually tried, which is crazy. But it looks like this. It is a super luminous peachy blue. I love it. I'm looking very ready for summer today. I love the natural sheen it gives to my cheeks. I look so red. I look crazy a little bit. I can't believe I've never tried this. You know why? Because right when I first started makeup, and still to this day, I love expensive makeup, of course, but if I can get it for cheap and makeup that is cheap, that is amazing, I'll buy that over high-end stuff every time. It don't gotta have a high price tag for me to it doesn't have to have a high price tag for me to want it, and I look really good. No wonder this was a fan favorite for so long. I've always heard like Luminoso, but these are like $12 blushes, I think, and when you're you can get a $3 blush over a $12 blush and you have not a lot of money, you're gonna go for the $3 one every time, which is what happened. And now that I have a little bit more money, I was like, let me spend a little bit more money on my $8 blush. Anyway, moving right along to highlighter. This is the Afterglow Strobe Light Highlighter. It looks like this. It looks very metallic. Oh, she's pretty. I kind of natural looking, which, oh, Milani face products. If you've never tried them, try them. Get the right shade though. So pretty. Another more expensive highlighter. Expensive, loose terms. Never tried this, and wow, I'm happy to have it. It looks really, really good. All right, here's the last couple things. Now, full disclosure, I purchased an eyeshadow palette from Ulta. It came broken. I sent it back. Actually, I didn't even send it back. They didn't even ask for it back. They said, we'll send you another one. Great. 2 days later, another one arrived at my house, broken. So I messaged them again. I said, hey, this is the second time I got this palette broken. Just refund my money. I don't want another one. They said, okay, we'll send you another one, and then close the online chat. They closed the online chat, and I'm like, okay, I guess I'm getting another one. It came broken. So, don't have a Milani eyeshadow. I gave up. But what I am going to do, and I do have a Milani palette somewhere, but it's packed away. I don't have any eyeshadow palettes unpacked except for a couple. So what I'm going to do is do some light eyeshadow with my e.l.f. Chipotle palette. And then I'll be back to try my mascara and my lip product. Sorry, I do not have an eyeshadow palette. Okay, I just did something super light, super simple to keep the ball rolling. And now we're going to do the highly rated, I think that's the name. Highly rated mascara. Nice big wand. So that's just one coat. I have a little bit down here that I'm gonna have to scrape off. It is not volumizing. My lashes look super puny, but it is lengthening like no other. So if you need a lengthening mascara for relatively cheap, this is the way to go. Okay, now I do like it, but it is the wand. Let me show you. The very end is long. See those long pieces at the end? And it totally got super messy when I did my inner corner lashes. So I'm gonna have to fix that real fast. Okay, the mascara is not my favorite. This side looks kind of crazy. My lower lashes. The lower lashes, look kind of crazy on both eyes. I don't really particularly love it. The top lashes are not very volumized, but they're very long. So all in all, I say it's about 50-50 I like it, I don't like it. Next, I'm gonna move on to lips. I did get this Color Statement lip liner in the shade 03. Super beautiful nude color. I might fill my whole lips in with this. All right, so far this is amazing. Wow. So far I love the lip liner. Then we have this like lip crayon. I don't know, it's the Ludicrous Matte Lip Crayon. Oh, okay, it's red. But with this lip liner, it kind of mutes it a little bit. I actually really like how it looks. I try not to overline because it can look really bad really fast. Wow, I absolutely love the lip color and the combination. I think it looks so good. Wow. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it was super short and I didn't have an eyeshadow palette, but from what I did use, don't like the mascara at all. I think it's not for me, and the concealer was too dark, but the foundation I loved. I like the primer. I think it like made the foundation go on even better. Love the blush, bronzer, highlights, and I love this lip color. So if you haven't guessed already, I do think you should go out and try some of these Milani products for yourself if you haven't. I have really no complaints. I think it looks really, really good. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have some awesome videos coming up for you in the future. You're going to see a lot of changes going on in the background, so if you're interested in that, stick around as well. I would love some decorating tips. It's a small space. My whole apartment's kind of small, so it's 2 people trying to fit everything they can in 800 square feet. And we both have large PCs and large desks, so a lot of moving parts are going to be happening. So give me some decorating tips. This old desk over here is going to be gone. I'm getting a dresser, but for now it's what we're working with. So I would love some decorating tips and things like that. And definitely subscribe and come back for future videos. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. But that's going to be it for this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell.